Have you ever seen that dreaded electronic parking brake light flashing on your dashboard? Maybe your car's beeping at you, or worse, it just won't release. Don't panic. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reset your electronic parking brake, saving you time, money and a whole lot of stress. What is the purpose of the electronic parking brake? An electronic parking brake, EPB, also known as an electric parking brake, is a system that uses electric motors to engage and disengage the parking brake, replacing the traditional mechanical lever or pedal with a button. Electronic parking brakes are super convenient until they stop working. Maybe you just replaced your brake pads, or your battery died, or, let's be real, your car just decided to be difficult today. Whatever the reason, resetting it is often easier than you think. Let's get into easy step-by-step guide. Step 1. Safety first. Before we dive in, safety check. Make sure your car is on a flat surface, engine running, or in accessory mode, and your foot is firmly on the regular brake pedal. We don't want any rolling surprises. Step 2. The basic reset. Most cars just need a simple reset sequence. Here's how it works. Press and hold the parking brake button down for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then pull it up and hold for another 5 to 10 seconds. Listen for a click or watch for the light to blink. That means it's resetting. Boom. Did that work? If not, no worries. Let's try the advanced method. Step 3. The full system reset. If your parking brake is still being stubborn, we might need to reset the whole system. Here's what to do. Turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine. Press the parking brake button down for 3 seconds. Release, then immediately pull it up for 3 seconds. Repeat this 3-4 times until you hear a confirmation beep or see the light flash. Think of it like a secret handshake with your car. Sometimes it just needs a little extra love. Finally, there you go. Resetting your electronic parking brake isn't as scary as it seems. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.